Hey guys, Revit Tutor here. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how do I start my project with a template. So this is Revit 2023. It's very simple is that whenever we come here to models here, if you're in the screen that looks like this, you could get there by this little tiny icon of clicking home. Then you see it like this. Models are what we would start in. We wouldn't use any of these recents because these are not templates, but this one has a dialog window. When you open it, it says new project and it says the template file. This is my own custom one that I made, but if you hit the drop down in here, you could choose all the way down to nothing, or you can go through all of these ones here. I'm just going to show you today how to open a project template file that I've already created for myself. So we'll go to Browse, and I'm going to go to my little location where I have it on my computer. Bear with me just a second. Okay, let's see here. We've got one for her. All right, once you find it, what you're looking for is the RTE file. Once you select it, then you say open, and it will be sitting here within this name. And then you can begin a new project, or you can go ahead and create yourself another template. But in this case, we're just trying to use this template as a way to jump off and create a new template from, I'm sorry, a new project from. So if I said, okay, that means that it's going to open up and it's going to take me to its starting page. It's going to have all of the things that I typically would want, such as my levels and my views and some of my sheet names, things like that of that nature. Now, let's say that I just wanted to do some editing of my template. I simply just go to my open, browse to where my template is, find the file name and choose open. Go ahead and make whatever change it is and go to file and save it. And that's it. All right, guys, hope that helps. Have a good day.